With the beauty of spring and all the blossoming trees, we also get lots of pollen and allergens in the air, which can create a seasonal allergy disaster. Spring is a great time to give our HVAC systems a deep clean so that we can improve air quality in our homes. Big Mountain Heating and Air is here to help you spring clean the very system that warms and cools the air we breathe. Here to tell us more is none other than our guy, Baron Larson. Hey, Baron.
Good morning, Desiree.
Good morning. So it is allergy season right now, Baron, and it seems like as though our HVAC systems can impact that.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's what a lot of us are doing right now. A lot of sneezing, a lot of blowing into the tissue.
Yeah.
So we're all preparing for that. So tell us, what is the biggest reason furnaces break down when it's really cold and vice versa when our AC does when it's really hot?
Well, we focus a lot on the breaking down because of the dirt that's collecting throughout the year as you're running your furnace and your air conditioner, because it's a big deal. And as you mentioned, we are getting into that allergy season. That's a big part of it too, right there. You can see on your screen there the dirt that is circulating throughout the house. And when you're running your system, you saw a filter there that was impacted. It gets into the system. It's not healthy, creates a situation, especially if you got pets in the house. And then, yeah, the health aspect of it is huge. It's just a lot of stuff that's impacted by our heating and air conditioning systems. And really, for the most part, all we think about is, hey, it comes on, it keeps us cool, comes on, and keeps us warm. But it goes way beyond that, and it starts a lot with dirt when it comes to our heating and air conditioning systems.
Yeah, a lot of the in-between that we miss. So what is unique about the service Big Mountain offers our White Sale viewers?
Well, we focus on that dirt, and we offer a service that is comprehensive. Our guys, when they go to a home and you call, even at the special price that we offer when we come on your show, and it's the only place that we offer this $69 price for what we call a 2-for-1 rejuvenation service of your furnace, your air conditioner, and it comes with a great guarantee. And we do it not to use it as a sales gimmick, because it's a low price, and then we get in there and we try to figure out how we can sell you something. Don't get me wrong, we'd love to sell you a new system, whatever you want, whatever you need. But we're in there to prove to you that we're different. And the way we do that is the comprehensive work. And we're spending on our 2-for-1 rejuvenation service a couple of hours, 3 hours, sometimes even 4 hours. And we're only charging you $69 for that if you're one of the first 10 callers. Because we regulate it, it costs us well over $200 to come to your home. But it's the way we invest in you as a customer to gain you as a customer for life, because there's a lot of other stuff that we do besides just heating and air conditioning: solar, windows, plumbing, roofing, lots of stuff. And eventually down the road, if you like what we do in your home now, I think you're going to give us a shot at some of the other stuff.
All right, and you said investing in you as a customer. So is Big Mountain's White Sale service giving viewers or customers a guarantee against their air conditioner and furnace, both against breakdown for the next year?
Yeah, that's part of the investment, and that is, it's not the typical tune-up that you get a seasonal, sometimes guarantee against a breakdown, but we give it to you for the 12 months because it is for both systems, the furnace and the air conditioner. And that guarantee is that the service will be free if you do, in the unlikely event, have a problem with your system. No charge, give us a call, we'll be right there. And yeah, it's for the full year.
All right, and that special offer for our White Sale viewers, Baron?
Yeah, give us a call at that number. Be one of the first 10 callers. It's $69. We've opened up our service over into the Solano County and San Joaquin counties now. So if you've called before trying to take advantage of this and you haven't been able to schedule it because you're out of our service area at that time, give us a call now. We can come to your area in San Joaquin and Solano, and again, it's $69. We guarantee you're going to save more than double the cost of the service at this loss leader pricing. Or, hey, give us a simple call. We'll refund your money. I'll keep going back to that. We want you as a customer for life. We really do, and we're going to prove it to you.
All right. You said one of your teammates watches the show. Who is that?
Armando.
Armando.
He wanted a shout out to you,
there we
Desiree.
Go. Shout out to Armando. Thanks for watching, Barry.
He'll love that.
Always a pleasure having you on, Barrett. For
Likewise.
more info on their heating and air services, visit bigmountainair.com.